Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into a product sent to me by CTA Tools, a company that recently reached out to me and asked if I would do a couple reviews on some of their tools. This is the first product they sent to me. We'll see how it goes, give you my first thoughts and everything, and we'll see about doing more reviews in the near future. But this is going to be great for your auto body and repair technology people doing auto body and restoration and body damage and stuff, removing bumpers and stuff like that. These are going to be great. This is the 5-piece extra deep metric socket set. Now you can buy these individually as small as sets of 2, this 5-piece set, a 10-piece set, and larger. So a big variety. They have a lot of different tools. They specialize in specialty tools and stuff like that. So they got a huge lineup. I'll drop their website down in the description, as well as link some of their products on my Amazon links. But here's the website. And a majority of their products are either going to be made in Taiwan like this or made in America. So that's the great thing. And their prices are decent as well. Now, I don't believe their website shows the prices, but you can always look it up on Amazon or contact them. But as far as this set, it's not just good for auto body and repair technology people. It's going to be great for your daily mechanics and technicians, as well as DIYers. I believe this set runs around $50 if I remember correctly. Part number 1700. And the sizes you're going to get are 8, 10, 11, 12, and 14. The length is going to be 120 meters, or millimeters, or almost 5 inches, just over 4 3/4. It's going to be 3/8 drive, and they are 6-point sockets. So it does come in this nice little blow molded case. You can remove the top if you want, and the hinge is actually pretty nice too. Nice little style hinge. It's not cheap or anything. And then in here you're going to have your markings 8, 10, 11, 12, and 14. And then just to show you the differences in size, we have a shallow socket here, which is 1 inch, a mid-length socket, which is just going to be shy of 2 inches, and then your deep well socket, which is 2.5 inches. These are all three from Gear Wrench. And then I'll just grab the 10 millimeter, and because these are all 10 millimeter as well, and that's going to be the difference right there. So pretty deep socket. This is going to be great, like I said, for bumpers and stuff, auto body work. Also spark plug, valve covers on like BMWs, as well as glow plugs on like your Fords, diesels. And it's kind of handy because you don't always have to use an extension. You can just grab the socket. Most of the time this is the perfect length, unless you really need to reach something. But other than that, into the detail of the socket, the top portion is going to be chrome, and then the bottom portion is almost like a brushed look to it. It's kind of hard to catch on camera, but the information you're going to have down here is CTA Tools engraved into it, as well as chrome vanadium, and then the size 10 millimeter. Can't talk today. Then here's your 6-point. Nice opening throughout the entire socket, so you can get a pretty good length stud in there. Might be a little bit easier to see through the 14 millimeter. And then the chrome plating does stop right past this bevel, and that's good because a lot of the times you don't want chrome inside your socket, because if it chips, it can affect the size of fastener that it fits over, or you might just, it might be a pain in the butt. And then you do have that, what is it, broaching, basically you have that lip down there, for some reason I can't think of the name of it, that stops the fastener from falling all the way down to the bottom of the socket, especially with these deep sockets. So that's nice, whether it be nut or a bolt. It'll stop it about 1 inch down in the socket, so that's really nice. Now I don't know how I feel about the brushed look. I know back in the day a lot of cheaper tool companies would do their cheap tool sets in that brushed, And I know it's becoming kind of a bigger thing nowadays to see brushed sockets and stuff, even in your more expensive tools. But I personally just don't care for it. I like a nice clean chrome look. To me, that means good quality. Not just good quality, but you know, that's just something I look for in a good quality tool, I should put it that way. So overall, for the $50, I think it's a really good purchase, especially for those auto body people. I know a lot of buddies that have this, especially the 10 and 12. They use them all the time and absolutely love them. But there are some other companies out there I won't name, but there are a few that sell these, but for a much higher price. So I think for $50, you're getting a really good deal here, especially if you're just like a daily mechanic or auto body. You're gonna love these. A DIYer, if you do a lot of body work, you'll love these as well. But once again, CTA Tools, a really good looking product. Once again, good for bumpers, fenders, valve cover fasteners, glow plugs, stuff like that. So you get a lot more length of socket there without having to use an extension most of the time. So let me know what you guys think, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.